How to clean your car interior, the best products and tips. Ever felt like your car interior is a time collapse of crumbles, dirt, and misery stains? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to dive into the art of cleaning your car interior from top to bottom. We'll cover the best products, essential tools, and step-by-step tips to transform your car from a mess to a masterpiece. Now it's time to gather your gear. Here are a few essential tools that you will need to detail your car. You need a vacuum cleaner with a hose and attachment. You'll need microfiber cloths, interior detailer, or all-purpose cleaner. You'll need a glass cleaner, a leather cleaner and conditioning, plastic and vinyl protectant, and the optional tools, which are not really optional, will be a detailing brush and a steam cleaner for the stubborn stains that you see in this video today. So starting from the top with the headliner, you want to use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove the dust and debris. For stubborn stains, gently spot clean with a microfiber cloth and dilute an all-purpose cleaner to wipe the headliner without brushing too hard. Then we're going to move on to the dashboard. For the dashboard, you want to wipe with a microfiber cloth and an interior detailer. Pay attention to the vents and the crevices. Now, let's move on to your windows. For the windows, you're going to clean with a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Avoid spraying directly on the glass and apply to the cloth first to remove any dirt that is gooped up on the window. So now we're gonna tackle the seats. For fabric seats, you want to vacuum thoroughly and remove crumbs and dirt. For stains, you want to use a removal or a diluted all-purpose cleaner. For the stains, you want to use a drill brush, as you can see in the video that we're using, which will remove the dirt and grime from the seats. For leather seats, you want to clean with a leather conditioning and cleaner. You can use whatever product, but you just want to follow the manufacturer instructions and clean regularly to maintain the softness and prevent any cracking on the leather seats. When you get into cleaning the floor of your seats in your car, you want to remove your mats, vacuum or shake them out, and then wash them if necessary. We wash our floor mats with our pressure washer by spraying them with our all-purpose cleaner and then drill brushing them and spraying them with our pressure washer and leaving them out to dry. For vacuuming the floor, you want to use a tool that removes the dirt from the crevices and get into the tight spaces. Pay attention to the area under the seats, and to do that, you want to move your seats up and back to get completely underneath the seat in the area that you're vacuuming. So, for spot cleaning your stains, you want to use a stain removal or a diluted all-purpose cleaner. So finally, we down to the finishing touches. That will lead us to the plastic and the vinyl trim. You'll want to apply a protectant to restore the shine and protect against UV rays. Avoid applying to steering wheel and paddle. And then for any odor removal, you want to just use an air freshener or baking soda to eliminate any unpleasant odors for stubborn odors. Consider using any type of professional upholstery or shampooing cleaner to help with this step. So let's recap. There you have it. With a little time and effort, you can transform your car interior into a clean and comfortable space. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe for more car care tips and steps. And until next time, happy cleaning.